Hey guys, how you doing? We're gonna do a video on Universal Yums today.
Hi guys, so these snacks are from Mexico. We're about to show you guys what all came in this box. So the first thing is some watermelon candy. We got mango candy, mango lollipop, a sour challenge cotton candy, and we love challenges.
We love challenges on our channel.
Yes. The next one. They look like Takis. These say spicy ranch.
That sounds interesting. I'm excited.
Definitely. This is Smacker Kettle potato chips with chili flakes. You'll probably like those.
Yes, I like chili flakes.
Next we got, how do you think? I think I'll like these ones, babe.
Yeah, you seem to like these ones.
For sure. What else we got?
I'm excited. Finally some chocolate.
Yeah, you like stuff like that.
I like chocolate. And this is peanut candy.
Nice.
Ooh, and another piece of chocolate. And this looks like gummy watermelon popsicle.
Levi will like that.
Levi would like that.
Yeah, I'll save that for Levi. It's made with real fruit.
I'm interested about this. I'm not sure what this is. This is made with goat's milk candy.
I don't think I'll like that one.
Yeah, it seems interesting.
Okay. And last but not least, what's that?
The stickers.
Nice. Okay, guys, we're gonna taste test a couple things. So, what's good, guys? I'm about to try these chips that look like Takis. These are spicy ranch. Pretty good. Those are really good.
Really good.
I have a big feeling that these are gonna taste like Fritos. By the time right now. They do.
Oh wow.
They taste like Fritos.
These are my favorites so far. Number one.
Like they taste like Fritos?
Yes. Really. These are toasted peanuts. They remind me of the Japanese style peanuts. I think they are the Japanese style peanuts. That's a little weird coming from Mexico, but they taste just like them. You're really good.
I'm about to try these potato chips. Pretty good.
They taste just like potato chips to me. I'm excited for this. I like chocolate and peanuts. Oh. It's really soft.
Mmm. It's pretty good. That tastes way better than a Reese's. That has the texture of a Reese's.
Yeah, this is really good. I don't know how I feel about this. No disrespect to anybody's culture or country, but this scares me a little bit.
He's been waiting to try it though, yo.
Yes, I've been waiting to try it. I think it's caramel inside.
Not a fan.
No, sorry guys, I'm not a fan of this either. Esther's gonna try it. What do you think, Draco? Draco liked it. That's all that matters. I love me some chocolate. And caramel.
Honestly, not really a big fan.
It tastes like a Snickers almost to me. Like a knockoff Snickers.
I was just gonna say that. Like, it's not the real deal.
Yeah.
We're gonna try being more consistent.
With our videos.
Yeah.